Do you want to download Minecraft on PC safely and securely? Here is the quick video. Before proceeding, please make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK. So let's dive in. Just go ahead and open up any browser in your computer and type download Minecraft. Go ahead and open official link that says download Minecraft. Here you will find for downloading it for Windows, and this is the launcher to download for Minecraft. My download has been started and it will be downloaded shortly. Before installing this version of Minecraft launcher, be sure to log in to Microsoft Store. So you have to log in to Microsoft Store with your Microsoft account. Now we are ready to install and accept the agreement and license. It started installation on my Windows PC, which will help us to play Minecraft perfectly. Now it started downloading the Minecraft launcher. Please note that all the important and safe links will be available in the video description. Welcome to Minecraft. Now installation is done. Time to play. We are ready to let's go. Now it's signing in to Microsoft with a Microsoft account. Select your Microsoft account and click on continue. So now it's time to select an avatar. I can change my image to any other image, and I can also go ahead and update the name of my avatar or image that I will use here. Click on save and continue. Perfect. Please note that if you want to get the subscription for Minecraft, go to official website, select the Minecraft game, and then select your PC type, is it Mac, Linux, or Windows. Now here you could just go ahead and you could check out it for you. So that's it about today's quick video on how to download and install Minecraft for your PC from an official website. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Bye.